Science Process Skill Form 3. Chapter 1. Aim: to study the response of plants towards various stimuli. Problem statement: which parts of plants respond towards water, light, gravity and touch? Apparatus: beaker, Petri dish, wire gauze, moist cotton wool, water, silica gel, box, adhesive tape, plasticine, green bean seedlings, mimosa pudica plant and cucumber plant. A response of plants towards water. Hypothesis: the roots of plants grow towards water. Variables: manipulated, presence of water. B. Responding, direction of growth of roots. C. Constant, type of seedlings. Procedure: set up the apparatus as shown in the diagram above. Keep beakers A and B in a dark cupboard for 3 days. Observe the seedlings after 3 days and draw your observation. B. Response of plants towards light. Hypothesis: the shoots of plants grow towards the light and the roots grow away from the light. Variables: manipulated, direction of light. B. Responding, direction of growth of shoots and roots. C. Constant, type of seedlings. Procedure: set up the apparatus as shown in the diagram above. Place beakers C and D under a lighted bulb for 3 days. Observe the seedlings after 3 days and draw your observation. C. Response of plants towards gravity. Hypothesis: the roots of plants grow in the direction of gravity and the shoots grow against the direction of gravity. Variables: manipulated, position of seedlings. B. Responding, direction of growth of shoots and roots. C. Constant, type of seedlings, presence of water, absence of light. Procedure: set up the apparatus and arrange the positions of the seedlings as shown in the diagram above. Place the Petri dish in the position as shown in the diagram. Place the Petri dish in a dark cupboard for 3 days. Observe the seedlings after 3 days and draw your observation. D. Response of plants towards touch. Hypothesis: some parts of plants like the tendrils and leaves respond to touch. Variables: manipulated, part of plant, type of plant. B. Responding, fold of leaves, tendrils twining around the object. C. Constant, object. Procedure: touch the leaves of mimosa pudica plant and observe. Place a long stick near a cucumber plant. Observe after 1 week. Observation: A. Response towards water. For beaker A, the roots grow bending towards the moist cotton wool while the shoots grow upwards. For beaker B, the roots grow straight towards water while the shoots grow upwards. B. Response towards light. For beaker C, the shoots grow straight upwards towards the light while the roots grow downwards. For beaker D, the shoots grow bending towards the light while the roots grow downward. C. Response towards gravity. E. The shoots grow upwards while the roots grow towards gravity. F. The shoots grow upwards while the roots grow towards gravity. G. The shoots grow upwards while the roots grow towards gravity. D. Response towards touch. The leaves of mimosa pudica plant fold when touched. Tendrils of the cucumber plant twine around the long stick placed near it. Discussion: state the type of tropism shown by parts of plants in each experiment. A. Response towards water, roots, positive hydrotropism, shoots, negative hydrotropism. B. Response towards light, roots, negative phototropism, shoots, positive phototropism. C. Response towards gravity, roots, positive geotropism, shoots, negative geotropism. D. Response towards touch. Leaves of mimosa pudica, seismonastic. Tendrils, positive thymotropium. What is the function of silica gel in experiment A? To absorb water. B. Moist cotton wool in experiments B and C. To supply water for the growth of seedlings. Why are the sets of apparatus for experiments A and C kept in a cupboard? To avoid the influence of light on the growth of the seedlings. What is the importance of responses shown by plants in this experiment? A. Shoot. The shoots grow towards the light so that the leaves can absorb light to carry out photosynthesis. B. Tendril. Tendrils twine around the object that touches the plant to enable the plant to get support and light. C. Root. The roots grow towards gravity to enable the roots to hold the soil firmly as a support, and the roots grow towards water to obtain water and minerals. Based on the experiment, which stimulus has a stronger influence on the roots, water or gravity? Explain. Water. Plants need water to maintain their normal growth. Is light a factor for germination of seeds? Explain. No, because seeds can still germinate although they are kept in a dark place. Is the position of seeds important in the growth of crops? No, because seeds will grow and respond towards the stimuli they received. Conclusion. The hypothesis is accepted. A. The roots of plants grow towards water. B. The shoots of plants grow towards the light and the roots grow away from the light. C. The roots of plants grow in the direction of gravity and the shoots grow against the direction of gravity. D. Some parts of plants like the tendrils and leaves respond to touch. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.